friendship. Pass it on. A message from the Foundation for a Better Life.
Would you believe that the Philippines is now ranked number 87 among 133 ASEAN countries? Nakakalungkot at nakakabahala po ang mga balita. How can we help? We're going to be talking about that today on the show. Pero bago ang lahat, yesterday we were at the Beverly Hills Hotel para sa press conference ng Manny Pacquiao versus Antonio Margarito fight that's happening in Dallas, Texas on November 13th. Here are the highlights.
Bagaman wala pang titulo, tuloy na ang laban ng Manny Pacquiao at Antonio Margarito. Yan ang naging pahayag ni top-rank promoter Bob Arum sa press conference na ginanap kaninang tanghali sa Beverly Hills Hotel.
Everybody knows that when they come to watch an Antonio Margarito fight, they're going to see action. There's not going to be a lot of boxing. There's not going to be a lot of defense. There's going to be action. And people, I believe, to my core, want to see action. And I'm really proud, as I stand here today, that this fight has come together.
Matapos maghakot ng di pangkaraniwang 7 titulo sa 7 iba't ibang timbang, hahangarin naman ni Pacquiao ang WBC Super Welterweight title. Ang hadlang ay si 3-time world champion Margarito na nahirapang kumuha ng lisensya sa California matapos ang naging kaso nito patungkol sa di umano'y paggamit ng gloves na may plaster. Pinuri naman ni Arum ang Texas Boxing Commission sa pagbibigay ng lisensya kay Margarito. Ang laban ay gaganapin sa ika-13 ng Nobyembre sa Cowboy Stadium in Dallas, Texas.
Because I was trained as a lawyer, and I went to the best law school in the country. And I graduated from law school in the 50s and became part of the Justice Department of the United States under President John F. Kennedy. And the one thing I can't tolerate is injustice, particularly in this country. Because throughout this long ordeal, certain things became evident. One, Antonio Margarito did not know that those hand wraps were illegal, and there was something bad in those wraps. Not one shred of proof. Some writers talk about, well, he got off because there wasn't clear and convincing evidence. There wasn't one shred of evidence.
Naging mahirap man ang mga naging karanasan ni Margarito, patungo sa labang ito, handa naman daw siyang humarap kay Pacquiao. Antonio, you watched the Manny Pacquiao-Joshua Clottey fight live. How sure were you then that you were going to be the next opponent of Manny Pacquiao?
Bueno, ya se está hablando ya, la gente mexicana, ya la gente...
You know, a lot of Mexicans were asking for the fight. A lot of people had told me maybe you could fight him next. And, you know, I was hoping that would happen, and I'm glad it happened, and I know how good he is.
And in speaking of preparation, the past few years, you've gone through many difficult experiences because of the case and all that. They say boxing is also a psychological sport. How has that experience affected you psychologically?
Bueno, sí, pero trato de no...
You know, it was difficult. You know, I went to the gym to get away from everything, to train. And, you know, now that the fight is here, everything's in the past. I'm just looking forward to the fight.
Kapansin-pansin ang taas at laki ni Margarito kumpara kay Pacquiao, pero sabi ng mga boxing experts, sanay naman daw si Pacman at katunayan palaki na ng palaki ang kanyang mga hinaharap. Hindi lamang sa ring kung hindi maging sa politika. Masaya namang nakipag-usap sa kababayan LA si Pacquiao na ipinakilala sa press con bilang congressman from Sarangani. Bilang isang mambabatas, nagbigay ng opinyon si Pacman tungkol sa mga issue sa Pilipinas. Para naman dito sa laban mo, may nababago pa ba sa'yo? Parang paulit-ulit na lang tayo, palagi namang panalo, palagi namang ensayo, palagi namang parang madali eh. Parang di ka na nahihirapan eh.
Parang madali na lang sa mga fans, no? Pero napakahirap, especially this upcoming fight on November 13. Si Margarito, napaka-agresibong boksingero, malaki at matangkad pa sa akin. At hindi natin pwedeng i-underestimate, kailangan natin mag-ensayo mabuti. At ito'y sinsigurado ko na napakagandang laban na to.
And will this be your last fight or hihintayin pa rin ba talaga si Mayweather?
Hindi ko masabi na ito na ang last fight ko, pero ilang laban na lang. But hindi ako nangangarap na about kay Mayweather. Kalimutan natin lahat yun.
And finally, from Congress daw to Vice President to President of the Philippines, meron ka bang pagnanasa na maglingkod bilang Presidente ng Pilipinas?
Sa isip ko, wala naman sa isip ko yan. Ang nasa isip ko ngayon is kung anong mabigay kong serbisyo sa aking distrito, anong mga projects na madala ko doon, at wala akong inisip kung ano pa mang mataas na mas mataas na posisyon.
So ano bang gusto mong itawag na sa'yo ng mga tao ngayon? Congressman or Pacman pa rin?
Money lang.
It's time to play You Think Your Cable is Cheaper? Bili na ng Square para makasali. Ay, kababayad mo lang ng cable bill mo?